In this video, I'll show you how to install the VisualIV mod in GTA 4 and improve reflections and overall visuals. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option and wait for 30 seconds. Once this done, select the download now option. After download done, right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, go back and copy and paste it in same location and rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder, open only graphics. This is main game and this is for episode from Library City. And then once you selected the folder, drag and drop all the files inside it to a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And now you can launch the game. Makes road, course, and environment look better by increasing reflections and visual details. I will add before and after comparison. You can easily compare this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.